It is undeniable that Binance has gained the attention from crypto traders all around the world and maintained its position to be one of the best crypto exchanges for many years. If you haven't watched our video about how to earn the sign-up bonus on this exchange, check out the links below. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step instruction on how you can withdraw and deposit on this exchange. Let's go! So first, in order to make everything more convenient later on, I really recommend that you should add your payment method first, so that every time that you have to deposit or withdraw, you won't have to do this again. First step is to log in into your Binance account. If you haven't had an account, you can watch our tutorial video on how to sign up and verify yourself on Binance to be able to deposit fiat currency. And with our referral code, you can earn up to $100 bonus and 20% off all trading fees on Binance. So after logging in, just go to the account icon here and choose Dashboard. On the left column here, just click on Payment and select Add a Payment Method. Then click on More. So as you can see here, there are a lot of payment methods that you can use. And it's really recommended that you should use bank transfer because normally it has zero transaction fee. So from here, I just click on bank transfer and then enter all of the bank information here and click on Confirm to submit. And then you will be asked to enter your SMS verification code. And after that, click on Submit again and you will see your bank information has been added here. Now let's start depositing. Again, only when you have verified your account on Binance can you be able to deposit fiat currency or to buy crypto using fiat. So if you haven't KYC on Binance yet, check out our video. So from the home page, go to Buy Crypto and then click on Bank Deposit. So after selecting the type of money that you want to send over to your Binance account, you can choose the payment method. And again, it is really recommended that you should use the bank transfer because it normally has the zero transaction fee. So after that, you just go ahead and type in the amount of money that you want to finance your Binance account. And since I choose USD, you can see here that the actual money that I will receive is BUSD or Binance USD, which is a stable coin that has the value of 1-to-1 ratio with the USD. Then click on Continue and fill in your bank name and number again. When you're done, click on Continue again and confirm all the terms here. So the important notice here is that you will have to make sure that the name on your bank account is the same as the name on your Binance account. Otherwise, Binance won't accept your funds. And also remember to put the reference code in the reference field of your transfer. Otherwise, Binance won't be able to recognize whose money is whose, and you may not be able to fund your Binance account. Then after that, you can see in the box here is your bank transfer information. Again, put the reference code in the reference field of your bank transfer. And also make sure to type in Binance as the receiver in your bank transfer. And after that, you can just go ahead and make the transfer on your online bank website or app. And when the money has been delivered to your Binance account, you will be notified to your email. This should only take about a few minutes, but depending on your bank, it can take up to a few working days. If you want to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. Now, in case your country's currency is not supported to do the direct transfer, you can choose to deposit using P2P method. So again, from the home page, just go to Buy Crypto and then select P2P Trading. Here you can see all the information that you can fill in to filter this list of seller below, including buy or sell options. So if you want to use the money to buy crypto, click on buy. Otherwise, if you want to convert your crypto into money, click on sell. Then next to it are the kinds of crypto that you want to buy. Here I'm choosing USDT. Below is the amount of money that you want to spend to buy crypto. Then choose your fiat currency. And finally is the payment method, which contain bank transfer of your country and other e-wallets supported in your country. After entering all the information, you can see the seller list has been refreshed. Now what you want to do is to choose the seller that you want to buy crypto from. You can refer to the number of orders that they have made and the percentage of completion to judge their credibility. And then choose the price that you want to buy. The price stated here is meant for 1 USDT. After choosing the seller, you can just go ahead and click on buy USDT. Now fill in the amount of money that you want to pay again, and you can see below is the amount of USDT that you will receive. So click on buy USDT to submit the order. Then on this page you can check your order information again, and in the tab below you can see the bank information of your seller. Now you just need to open your online bank website or app and make the money transfer to this person. Remember to fill all the information correctly, and the reference message has to be entered exactly in the reference field or the description of your transfer. You must not enter anything else beside that in the field. When your transfer is done, just click on transfer, notify seller. So keep in mind that the transferring process back and forth must only take about 15 minutes each. If after 15 minutes you haven't sent the money to the seller and click on the transfer button yet, your order will be cancelled automatically, and you will lose all your money if you have already transferred but haven't clicked on the button. So remember to click on it within 15 minutes. And if the seller has not sent you the crypto yet after 15 minutes, you must report it to Binance and let them help you to get your money back and deal with the seller. You can also chat with the seller directly in the message box here. And when the seller has sent the crypto, you can check it in your fund balance. Now to deposit crypto on Binance, from the home page, go to Wallet and then choose Fiat and Spot. So here you want to click on Deposit and then choose Deposit Crypto at the right corner. So first, select the coin that you want to deposit and then choose the correct network. After that, you can see the address of your Binance wallet here. Now keep in mind that you have to be exact at choosing the network and getting the right address. Otherwise, you will lose your assets. So the principle of depositing to any exchange is that you withdraw an amount of assets from one platform, which can be another exchange on e-wallet. Then you will have to transfer it to the exchange that you want to make a deposit on. So for example, if you have an amount of a coin in one exchange and you want to deposit the same amount of that coin on Binance, then you will have to withdraw it from that exchange and transfer it to Binance. So all you have to do is to make a withdrawal request on another exchange and make sure that the type of coin, the network, and receiver address must be the same as they are stated here on Binance. And after the order is through, you can see your total balance of that coin on Binance is added with the same amount that has been deducted on the other exchange. In some cases, the network will be overloaded and it can take a little bit longer, up to 1 or 2 hours. So just be patient. And that's it. And for the withdrawal tutorial, you can check our video coming up next. Easy, right? If you're looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto information and tutorials that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.